Hi guys, by now you should have your book recommendation written and you should be ready to record your book recommendation video to share with the rest of the class. So you're going to see me do that process right now. I have my book recommendation down on the table. So I'm going to be reading it and I've practiced, I've rehearsed. Hopefully it comes out perfect. I'm going to be reading it and I'm going to be looking at the camera and be looking back and forth because I don't want to spend my whole book recommendation looking down like this. That would be pretty silly, wouldn't it? I want to look at you and I want to be able to read and change it up and look back and forth. All right, here I go. All right, here is the book I would like to recommend to you. This book is called Upstairs Mouse, Downstairs Mole by Wong Herbert Yi. So Mouse and Mole are neighbors. They live in a tree. Mouse lives upstairs and Mole lives downstairs. They're good friends. But there's trouble in this story. Mouse keeps sweeping dirt into Mole's house, and Mole is upset and tells Mouse, and they think of a way to fix the trouble. I love that Mouse and Mole talk out their problems and find solutions together instead of just staying angry at each other. This book teaches a lesson about teamwork. It teaches you that friends talk out their problems and work together. I think you would really like this book, Upstairs Mouse, Downstairs Mole. All right, and that is my book recommendation. So the next thing I want us to do is I'm going to flip my camera over so that you guys can see the checklist that we're using to self-assess ourselves. Now, self-assess means to kind of judge how you think that you did. Okay. And usually the teacher would assess you or grade you. But now I want you guys to practice with self assessing to see, like, how did I do? Because it's important that you guys are aware of how you do. Okay. So the first one, I have my name up here. It says, I introduced the book, title, characters, and setting. You know what? I did that. Okay, next one says, I gave a retelling, important events only. I did that. I did not retell the whole book because that would have taken a long time, but I did tell the really important events and I didn't give away the ending. I gave reasons for my book with examples from the book. It says I did not. I tried. You know what? I did. I told about what was going on with Mouse and Mole and how they fixed their problem, and I gave reasons straight from the book. And then it says I shared the life lesson. You know what? I did. I said that the life lesson was that the friends worked together and they talked out their problems. They didn't stay angry at each other. And the last one, I spoke clearly. You know what? Sometimes I can talk really, really fast and it doesn't really come out as clear as I want it to be. So I'm going to say I tried because I really did try to speak clearly, but I know sometimes when I talk really fast, it doesn't come out that clear. So I'm going to put a check right there. So now let's add up my points. So if I did not do something, that's 0 points, but I don't have any there. If I tried to do something, that's 1 point. Oh, I got 1 point there. And then these ones are all 2 points. So I can count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, and one more is 9. So I did pretty good. I got 9 out of 10. All right, boys and girls, it is your turn to record your book recommendation and then self-assess yourself. See how you did. You be the judge. All right, off you go.